Assalamualaikum class. So class, today we are discussing about the top 10 supply chain trend. So you get report here. This report is published by the Apex, formerly Apex. Now currently is the name is the Association for Supply Chain Management. So these are the 10 trends for supply chain. So the first one is about the digital supply chain. So so this is a trend that is comparison from the last year to this year actually, 2022 3 and the 2024 actually. So digital supply chain was a number one priority, and in the previous year the big data and analytics was on the first priority. So now it's become the number one priority for the digital supply chain. Similarly, artificial intelligence was at number four, but this time the artificial intelligence that are sitting as a number three requirement. So top three supply chain trends or technologies just as that is for the future development, that is digital supply chain, big data, artificial intelligence. And the fourth and fifth one are the new trend in the 2024. It was never before in the previous year list. The first is supply chain investment system and the people. So collectively requirement for the investment in the system infrastructure and along with the people, because people making the key contribution or key result, because they are using the application of the system actually. The fifth one is the visibility, traceability, and location intelligence. That is the part of the operational thing. But due to the Red Sea incident, Suez Canal incident, and recent war events, so visibility, traceability, and location intelligence is now become the critical. The sixth one is the disruptive supply chain. So the disruption risk management. This is again was the number three, as you know, previously due to the COVID and the other circumstances, it was at the number six. The situation are now, become more controllable. So this disruption risk management that are now become the number six. Agility and resilience, that is always be inbuilt in supply chain in order to give the importance of the resilience. So it is now become the number seven. Then this is again the new entry. Supply chain cybersecurity, previously that is come under the two place, means it was the at the sixth place now, so it's now become the eighth place. So supply chain cybersecurity, again it is one of the critical factor, because if any even of the security breach that can destroy your company, your data, and your everything as well. So that's why cybersecurity are very critical. Although it went down to the number eight instead of the six, but still they're critical. The nine one, that is a green and circular supply chain. This is the future actually, because how we are operating in environment without you know without destroying the future generation requirements. So that is come under the green supply chain. And similarly for the circular supply chain, for circular supply chain, the impact is the how we are reducing the waste, you're reutilizing it, and work as a refurbished item. So in the circular economy, ideally, there are zero wastages. The 10 month is the geopolitical and the deglobalization of the supply chain. Again, is the geopolitical situation, the things extent of the Far East Asia sourcing and other countries. So companies are more working towards make a develop a source near to their region or within the same city, same country. So geopolitical and the deglobalization is also impacting in supply chain in 2024. So if we come to the data supply chain, so which factor that are contribute for the data supply chain? Into the Converting data from the physical to the digital format enable the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, blockchain, smart contract, cloud-based solution, and the countless other emerging technologies that rely on the high quality digital inputs. So digital supply chain is again number one transformation, including application of the AI, IoT, blockchain, cloud-based solution, ERP. So all these things that are enable us to transform our physical supply chain into a digital supply chain. The second thing is about the data, big data analytics. So how we are utilizing our data, either the data is based on the structured or unstructured, how we are utilizing that data. So big data analytics, that is another significant factor that uh, come under a trend in 2024 actually. Artificial intelligence, so it is self-explanatory. So artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, that all helping us in order to reduce the redundant work or repetitive work, so we can automate our area like sourcing, inventory management, logistic route planning. So these all come under the artificial intelligence. Investment in people and system and people. By 2026, the global supply chain application market is expected to reach 31 billion. So again, investment in system and people, that are immense potential and that is required in order to make your supply chain successful. Visibility and traceability, location intelligence. This is again the explanatory. So in case of the current Red Sea situation, where is your shipment? Either it is at the Red Sea, or where it is stuck either at the Singapore port, Dubai port, Karachi port, or at the origin. So where your shipment? So now the time has come where everything should be visible, traceable, and and find the location on the in the real time basis. Disruption risk technology, agility, resilience, cyber security, green circular supply chain, geopolitics and globalization that we already discussed. So the sensing process. So the sensing process has the four steps. Sensing process is a four step. Create a deep and diverse team of the supply chain subject matter expert, representative variety of the industries, academic institution, geographic and the personal experience. Identify resources from the broader collection of high quality research report, articles, Google Analytics, survey, subject matter expert, knowledge board. This include 419 citation, more than 2000 pages of research and over 200 unique resources. Assign each team member of the set of resources. So these are the basis of the data due to which we are able to find the top 10. So after that, that is a graph between the likelihood and the impactful. They have self-explanatory. And the next one is about the trend from the point last year and the this year. On the, sorry, this is only for the last year. This year trend for 2024. So likelihood multiplied by the impact is the criticality. So these are the top 19 trends in the supply chain management actually. So these are the contributor. So I would like to thanks to SCSCM for sharing this valuable information to all of us. Thank you so much.